Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power state and input method. If plugged in, brightness limits may differ. Make sure you know whether you're on battery or AC. Next, either press the keyboard brightness keys marked with a sun icon or open Settings and go to Display. This is where the slider lives. Turn off adaptive or auto brightness so manual adjustments take effect. Once done, you'll be ready for precise tuning. Proceed to the detailed adjustments in the next step. Now you'll make precise changes. Open the display slider and move it slowly. Small increments avoid eye strain. Aim for about 50–70% indoors, higher in bright sunlight. If you prefer quick changes, hold FN and press the brightness keys. Each press typically moves the level by a set step. For finer control or color tweaks, open your graphics driver control panel or the laptop's OEM app. They sometimes provide gamma or contrast finish by validating that your brightness choice sticks. Close the lid, wake the laptop, and restart to ensure settings persist. If controls are missing or the slider is unresponsive, update or reinstall the graphics/display driver. This often restores functionality. Also check the power plan and any BIOS or firmware brightness options. Some laptops enforce maximums there. If the screen remains dim despite settings, try external monitor tests to isolate hardware versus software. One key tip: update drivers first. It fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.